Okay, so why not make a video? That'd be good because I can practice my speaking ability and I can demonstrate what we got here. This is a longleaf pine, Pinus palustris, if I pronounce that right. The needles are mostly in threes. They're very long. This one's probably over 10 inches long, but sometimes they're like 12 to 14 or 16 inches long. And they're mostly like this one. They're in bundles of 3. Sometimes they're in bundles of 4. If I pick a sample of needles, they're probably almost all in 3s, but I might get one in a 4. The plates on the bark are big, but this is an older tree, and younger trees don't plate like this. They tend to have smaller, flakier plates. But again, like I said, this is an older tree. And I mean, you can look at it and you can just see from the tree, the needles are very long. They're like, I think I read somewhere in the description, they're like brooms. So like the twigs are like broomsticks, I guess. And I'm in southern Brevard County, Florida. And this is what's called a sand scrub area, and there's other species. That's a sand pine, and those are South Florida slash pines, Pinus eliata densa, that's Pinus colossea, and there's other ones, Champman oak, sand live oak, saw palmetto, rosemary, etc. But so it's feather bush and a lot of other stuff. But anyway, this is the kind of ecology that they would grow in. They grow as far south as about Vero Beach on the east coast and Fort Myers on the west coast. So if you can pull up a map of Florida, and you can draw a diagonal line from Vero Beach to Fort Myers, that's the southern extent. And they grow all the way up into Virginia and Delaware, I believe, and they grow west to East Texas. And I think they're listed as an endangered species because a lot of the ecology has been altered. They actually depend on fires for rejuvenation. Another peculiarity about longleaf pine, just like South Florida slash pine, is the seedlings grow through a grass-like seedling stage. This is actually a seedling of a longleaf pine, of that tree right there, and like the name suggests, it's like a ball of grass coming up, and this actually protects it from fire. So if there is a fire, the stem is subterranean, and that allows obviously protection from the main bud of the plant. So the needles can burn, but the plant itself is still alive. So that's it. This is the longleaf pine, and that's it. I'll do some other trees.